you very much. I think that these are very shared problems, and maybe answering to you, I will answer to many of you that are listening. Yes, life and society say that we have to work hard, but when you work hard, you are not yourself. I think it is, I don't know how to say, but we have even no time to look into ourselves, and we get lost in this way. But I did a very deep, profound work of introspection into myself. I explored the things that I thought that it was not for me, until something that I don't know, something of my quality rose up. I never thought to teach in all over the world the Ho'oponopono. Never. But it was because I worked into myself. I don't know how to say. I changed the way to see myself, and I start to love myself. And when I start to love myself, I never allowed again to be depleted my energies from work. And then another energies comes to you and belongs to you, and do not belongs to the work or to anybody else. I understand that it is a big step, and it was a big step for me because I was father of 3 children that moment. But Ho'oponopono helped me to move on and to looking for new aspects